Building strong bones. Calcium-rich whole foods for optimal health. Including calcium-rich whole foods in your diet is essential for maintaining strong bones and overall health.
Leafy greens like kale, collard greens, turnip greens, bok choy, Swiss chard, and spinach are excellent sources of calcium, providing vital nutrients for bone health.
Fish such as salmon and sardines, especially when consumed with their bones, are also rich in calcium. Additionally, sesame seeds and quinoa are plant-based sources of calcium, with quinoa containing approximately 47 milligrams per 100 grams.
Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your meals can help ensure you meet your calcium needs for optimal health and well-being.
Freezer-friendly quinoa meal prep with Instant Pot convenience.
Prepare nutritious quinoa ahead of time for quick and easy meals, with the convenience of an Instant Pot.
With this meal prep method, you can cook a large batch of quinoa and freeze it for future use, ensuring you always have a healthy staple on hand.
Simply rinse the quinoa. Add it to the Instant Pot with water or broth, and pressure cook for 1 minute. Once cooked, portion the quinoa into freezer-safe containers or bags and store them in the freezer.
When ready to enjoy, simply thaw and reheat the quinoa for a versatile ingredient in salads, bowls, stir-fries, and more.
This freezer-friendly quinoa meal prep saves time and makes healthy eating effortless.
Freezing garlic, a convenient guide for future use.
To prepare garlic for future use and store it in the freezer, begin by peeling and finely chopping or mincing the cloves.
Alternatively, you can crush the cloves with a garlic press or slice them thinly with a sharp knife.
Once the garlic is prepared, spread it out in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper.
Place the baking sheet in the freezer and allow the garlic to freeze until solid, usually for about 1 to 2 hours.
Once frozen, transfer the garlic to an airtight container or resealable freezer bag, removing as much air as possible before sealing. Label the container with the date and contents. Then store it in the freezer.
When you're ready to use the frozen garlic, simply remove the desired amount from the container and thaw it in the refrigerator, or use it directly in your recipes.
This method allows you to have conveniently prepared garlic on hand for cooking while preserving its freshness and flavor for an extended period. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free and exceptional content.